Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Now for today's look, I am going to be doing an all fall makeup tutorial. Now of course today is September 22nd, the first day of fall. Now most likely this video is not going to be up until Monday or tomorrow. I'm going to try my best to upload it as soon as possible, but yeah. Okay, so first thing first, I am going to go in with this tone right here to be the base of all eyeshadows. Basically, I'm going to be using this color to crease. You want to lay it all over your eyelid. Now, I am taking my Morphe 35 0 palette, not 0, O palette, my bad, correct myself. And now I am going to be taking the color, let me see, give me 1 second. So bad, so horrible. Click. I'm going to be taking this color right here and sending it, putting it from my outer corner all the way through my crease. Basically, grab a different brush and you just want to impact it. Now I am gonna be going into my top crease with Hey. This is Hey. Now I am going to be going into Cocoa on my edges to make it more deep. Depends how dark you want to go and or how light you want to go. Now I am going to be going into Straight. Is a more darker brown because I want it to pop more on my ends, and don't mind my bags under my eyes. Don't mind the dog either. So basically I'm gonna grab some, take out the excess, and just lightly impact it little at a time. Now I am gonna go in with this, I'm gonna tell you the color, Pop color right here. Okay, so I added my lashes out of camera because I was struggling with them badly, but as you can see, these are my looks. I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade 322 Warm Honey Deluxe. And I'm gonna mix it with 330 Toffee Caramel. You want to add some down your neck too, because when you blend, you don't want your face looking more smoother than your neck. Now I'm adding my other foundation, same brand, different shades. Okay, now you just want to dab, blend, whatever you like to do. I like to do a mixture of both, depends on me. Okay, now I am about to add my concealer. I do not put a lot of concealer on.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Don't mind the noise in the background, guys. Anyways, so you want to go down the bridge of your nose. A little bit on your forehead. Your lip, if you want to do your lip. Your chin, if you want to do your chin. Now, you always want to make sure Beauty Blender is damp and ready to go. For my eyes, I like to dab because this is the only way I can get it to completely blend. That looks so weird. But who cares? It's not done yet. It's okay. Okay. Now, nose. Next up, you want to contour. So, from here, down, whatever. So basically, here. Sorry guys, I don't have a mirror to see. I always do the bottom of my face, my forehead, because I have a big forehead, and then the side of your nose. And then you want to blend it all out just like I did with the concealer. Now I am adding translucent powder under my eyes. And I'm gonna let it sit there for a little while until I'm done doing everything else. I may look crazy right now, but it's all okay. Oh my gosh. What you doing? This cat. So now I am about to add blush. Blushy, blush. I'm looking for my blush brush. So, add some on my cheeks. And then I'm going to take my bronzer and go over the areas that I contoured. No. You move the camera. That's my little cousin. Okay. So now after that, I am going to do my under eyes and wipe off the excess and highlight. Now basically for your under eye, you want to go in with the same colors you did for your eyes. So I am going to go in with Click, this color right here, and then I'm going to mix it with Cocoa just because they're close to the same shade. Alright, so highlighter, okay, right here. Now this is my highlighter. Depends how crazy you want to go with it. You could put as little or as much as you want. It depends how you feeling and what type of mood you want to be in. So I am about to blend, wiping away the excess powder and just blended it into my skin, because why would you want a harsh line on your face? You'll just look weird. Y'all probably heard that too. Okay, now I am going to make sure everything is blended. This is my finished look. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more videos. So thank you for watching, and have a good day or a good night.